Previously, I made a video on how to change the cabin air filter on my Ford Flex. As I mentioned in that video, that is a very simple task that you can do yourself. There's no need for you to pay somebody else to do this for you. And as you can see here, the price has gone up. So check out the video here if you want to learn how to do this yourself. Today, I'm going to do a similar project, and we're going to change the engine air filter. Now this one is not as expensive, but there's still no reason for you to pay somebody else to do this for you. It is very simple to do, and I'm going to show you how. Now again, this is on a Ford Flex, but it'll be very similar on whatever vehicle you've got. So after you pop the hood, you're going to remove this cover like so. In my case, there's just the that you just unlatch, giving you access to the filter. And here's the filter. As you can see, this one is somewhat dirty. I've seen worse, but it's time to replace it. So here's my new filter. I've placed a link in the description below if you want to purchase this one online, but you can also go to an automotive store and pick one up just as easily. And this is really all there is to it. You take the old filter out, put the new one back in, and then put the cover back on, and make sure you latch the clips. Again, in my case, it's only the 2 clips. Yours might have 4. Most manufacturers recommend replacing your engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but that can vary depending on the conditions of where you're at, how often you're driving. But just check it every so often, and if it looks like it's dirty, it's best to replace it. It might take a little work just to make sure that you have it right in place, but keep at it. Once you have it set in place, clip it shut, and that's it. You've now saved yourself quite a bit of money.